Hello and welcome back for another episode of the Global Mapper Pro. In this quick video, we will show you how to download a digital elevation model based on a specific area in Global Mapper Pro, all in less time. In the previous video, we showed you how to generally download a DEM, but in this video, we will show you how to download a DEM for a specific area. To do this, we need to import a shapefile of our area where we want to download the DEM for. From the File menu, you can view the files that have been previously loaded into the software. We can select from these files. Alternatively, we can navigate to the path of the shapefile or layer we need and import it into the software. Here, the shapefile of Iran has been imported into the software. We can make some adjustments for better display. For example, we can remove duplicate labels to ensure that only one label is displayed for each province. To download the DEM for your area, first click on the Digitizer tool. Then select the polygon for which you want to download the DEM. Next, click on the Connect to Online Data option. In the Open window, various types of digital elevation models are available for download. These can also be found under the Worldwide Data category. Click on SRTM Worldwide. Check the option Download within currently selected polygon to ensure that the DEM is downloaded based on your selected area. Finally, click on the Connect. As you can see, our digital elevation model has been downloaded based on the specified area in a timely manner. We also test and download the digital elevation model for other areas. As you can see, the digital elevation model downloads in significantly less time for each area that we select.